Today we shall discuss very important topic, understanding the Sikh scripture. What are the main aspects of understanding the Sikh scripture? So it is better to learn Punjabi language to be too close to the original writing and to the meanings. So reading through Roman alphabet or some other alphabet is not too much beneficial, because as we see, so many vowel sounds are being left while transliterating the Sikh scripture. So better if one learns Punjabi language and then reads the Sikh scripture. So there are two main aspects to be understood if one wants to read and understand the Sikh scripture. Let us have a bird eye view on the first, which is orthography. So in Punjabi, this is called Varnabodh. What is included in orthography, which is to be learnt? Number one, the script of Punjabi language, which is called Gurmukhi script. This is to be learnt, and this Gurmukhi script has been used to write the Sikh scripture. The script means all the symbols used to write the Punjabi language. So Gurmukhi script means all the symbols used to write the Punjabi language. Symbols include the alphabet of 35 letters. Then there are 10 vowel sounds. Then there are consonants, vowels, then diphthongs, compound letters or mixed letters, and one has to learn the proper sounds of the 35 letters. So this is included in orthography. The second aspect is etymology. That means knowledge of Punjabi words. In etymology, one needs to learn first the types of Punjabi words. So what are the types? There are nouns, Punjabi nouns, there are pronouns, there are adjectives, there are verbs, then adverbs, then prepositions, conjunction and interjection. So these are types of words. One needs to understand all these in the Punjabi language. Then there are genders, masculine and feminine. Then there are numbers, singular and plural. Then there are compound words, adding or connecting two words without changing their forms, just as mal anlo. Then union of two words by changing forms of one or the other, just like Murari. Murari is a word from Mur plus Ari. So, combining these two words, we get Murari. So, such words are to be understood and learnt. Then, understanding the case. There are 8 cases used in the Sikh scripture. So, what is a case? A case is the grammatical relationship of nouns and pronouns together to other words in a sentence. That is, the relationship of nouns and pronouns to the other words used in a sentence, that is a case. So, types of cases are there. Number 1 is nominative case, then accusative case, then there is instrumental case, then number 4 dative case, then ablative case, then genitive case, then locative case, and the final number 8 is vocative case. Case systems change with the ancient evolution of languages. In ancient Greek, so let me repeat, case systems change with the evolution of languages. In ancient Greek, genitive and ablative cases combine, giving only 5 cases rather than the 6 retained in Latin. In modern Hindi, Sanskrit, cases have been reduced to 2. In English language, case has vanished altogether, except for the possessive and non-possessive dichotomy. The use of case has almost stopped in modern Punjabi language, but because case has been used in Gurbani in the Sikh scripture, therefore the reader of the Sikh scripture must be in the knowledge of the use of different cases. Let us have one example of each case from the Sikh scripture. From page 1405, there is a line, Satguru Nanaki Bhagati Kari Ik Manne Tan Man Tanu Gobind Diyo. In this sentence, let us have a question. Who meditated? The answer is Satguru Nanaki. So the words Satguru, Nanaki, having I sounds at the end, these 2 words are used in the nominative case. Then, number 2, accusative case. साध संग इस मन ही उदाहरण, on page 804. So here let us have a question to find the accusative case. To whom the effect of the verb. To whom is the effect of the verb. So find the word which is on which there is effect of the verb. So there we find the word is manhi, sadh sang in the congregation is manhi udhara. So manhi word is in the accusative case in this sentence. Then on 914 there is a line, Jyun sabuni kapar ujjal hoth. Jyun means just like, sabuni means with the soap, kapar means clothes, ujjal hoy get cleaned. So here let us have a question. How the clothes get clean? The clothes are washed with the soap. So the word soap, that is sabuni in this sentence, is used in the instrumental case, sabuni with the soap. Then the fourth one is dative. Sappै dudh piyaiye andar vish nikor, on page 755. So in this sentence, for whom milk is used? For the snake. So sappä, the word sappä to the snake, for the snake. This word sappä is used in the dative case. Then the ablative case, number 5, Nainaho neer bahe tan khina pahe kesh dudbani, page 659. So in this sentence, water is flowing from the eyes. Nano from the eyes. Neer is water. Bahe just flows. So from where the water is flowing, from where the water is separating from the eyes. So the eyes, nano, the word nano, here in this sentence is in the ablative case, because water is separating from the eyes. Then number 6 is genitive case. On page 625 there is a line, Ram, Das, Sarovari, Nate. So in this sentence, the word Ram and the word Das, these words are used in the genitive case, because we have to use some prepositions with the words Ram and Das. So when we use prepositions with the words, then the words are in the genitive case. Then let us go to number 7, that's locative case. There is an example from page 802. Daya karho baso mani ay. Daya karho, have mercy, do kindness, baso, just reside, abide in the mind. So here the question will be where to abide in the mind. So the word in the mind is written as money. Money. Nana or N is with the I sound. Money. So the word money is in the locative case. Then number 8 is the vocative case. So here is an example from the Sikh scripture. Jap Gura ik deh bujhahi. Gura ik deh bujhai. Bujhai just understanding. Deh means just give me ek one. Gura, the word Gura, just we are calling the Guru. We are calling the Guru, Gura. So when we are calling a person and the word which is used for that purpose is in the vocative case. So Gura word is used in the vocative case. So these are 8 cases which are to be understood while we try to understand the Sikh scripture. Then there are persons, just like in English, in Punjabi there are persons, first person, second person, third person. First persons like I equal to main, my like mera, me like menu, we like ਅਸੀਂ, then our like sada, us like ਸਾਨੂੰ. These are first persons. Then there are second persons like you, your, you is ਤੁਸੀਂ, your is ਤੁਹਾਡਾ, second persons. So these are pronouns of the first and second person. Then there are third person, he like O, she like O, the same word, it like E, then they like again O in the plural sense, then there like unada, unadi, them like unanu, him usnu, his usda, her usda, usdi. So these are the words representing various persons, first, second and third in Punjabi language. Then there are verbs to be understood. Verb just like to go. To go in Punjabi is jana. To go is jana. So just like from go there are so many forms. Go, went, gone, going, will go, shall go, has gone, like that. So similarly in Punjabi the word is to go is jana. So just like I go, मैं जांदा हाँ, I went, मैं गया, I have gone, मैं जा चुका हाँ, I shall go, मैं जावांगा, I am going, मैं जा रहा हाँ, I shall be going, मैं जा रहा होवांगा. So these are different forms of verbs in Punjabi language to be understood. Then there is a voice, active and passive voice. So these are to be understood just like in English language there are active voice and passive voice. In Punjabi too there are sentences in the Sikh scripture. Then there is participle. Participle just like in English, in Punjabi too there is participle used in the Sikh scripture. So we have to understand this, how it is used. Then there is tense, present, past and future. Different forms of tenses have been used in the Sikh scripture. So Just having the knowledge of orthography and etymology of the Punjabi language, we can very well read the Sikh scripture as it is through the Gurmukhi script. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa. Vaheguru Ji